Hello, my name is Michael Bowen and I am a Senior Solutions Engineer at Votiro. Today I'm going to show you how Votiro enhances the Menlo Security platform. So Votiro is a platform that secures and sanitizes unstructured data across multiple file channels including email, collaboration tools, and SaaS applications. It removes known and unknown malware, as well as detects and masks out sensitive information inside of your files both in transit and at rest. Menlo is a secure enterprise browsing solution that protects users from malicious websites and browser-based threats. Together, these solutions allow your users to safely browse the web, as well as download and upload secure and safe files using automated policies. To show you an example of how Menlo and Votiro work together, I'm going to do a quick demo of downloading and uploading files inside of an isolated Menlo browser session. So what we have here on the screen is our Votiro dashboard, but before we get into that, let me go over to a SaaS-based application. In this case, we're going to show you what happens as files go into and out of Dropbox. As you can see in the bottom right corner here, this little icon shows that this session is being isolated by Menlo. What we're going to do first is I have a document inside of Dropbox. This document contains some unknown malware as well as some sensitive data. So if I do a quick preview of this file, I can see that this file is a resume. It actually has a zip file embedded inside of it. And inside of that zip file is some scripts that would run a PowerShell prompt and do some malicious activities. Inside of this file is also a social security number. So we can see that this file has both potential malicious malware and sensitive information. Because Menlo is isolating this file, it's going to send us through the browser isolation download features of Menlo. First, we're going to get a preview of what this document contains. As you can see, the content was scanned. If I go over to the download option, I can see I can either download a safe PDF, and so this would convert the file into a PDF. Obviously, that would remove all content or malicious content, but at the same time, it would also render the document into a PDF instead of its native format. The original download will download the original file, but in this case, because Votiro is involved, it's actually going to be a sanitized version of that file. So if we click download, it's going through the download process. The file has been downloaded, and I'm going to open that inside of Word. And I'm waiting for it to open on my screen. And so what we have here is that same Word document. As you can see, the zip file is there, but that malicious content that was inside of that file was removed. It no longer has a LNKO file that launches a script. It has been blocked and replaced with a PDF that notifies you that this particular component was removed. At the same time, the social security number is masked out of this document. So we were able to scan all of the contents of the document and based on our policies remove this specific bit of information. So you can see how that works on a download. At the same time, I'm going to take this file, which is a file that contains a number of social security numbers, credit card numbers, etc. And I'm going to actually upload that to Dropbox. So I'm going to grab that file from my other window, drop it in the Dropbox. As you can see, it's going through the Menlo file upload process. That file was sent through Votiro in its upload process. And if we then look at this file, we can see that the social security numbers were masked out, and the credit card numbers were also masked out. So this helps prevent sensitive information from escaping your environment using the combination of Menlo and Votiro. If we go over to Votiro real quick, we can see these two transfers happened. First off, that download of that resume. If I pull this information up, you can see that inside of this document that we broke apart and sanitized, we found an embedded object inside of that with an LNK file, and we blocked it based on our policies. At the same time, again, like I said, we found a couple bits of sensitive information in there, and we masked out that information. If we go back to our other events and we go over to that second file that we uploaded, we can see that in this same file we have a Excel spreadsheet, and a number of bits of sensitive information were found inside that, and based on our policies we removed that information on the upload. These policies are all controllable via data security policies. In this case, my Menlo policy is set to detect these bits of information and to mask out and remove this information. Anyway, there you go. That is a quick demo of how the Menlo and Votiro products work together and help secure your environment. Thank you.